Connect power. Install tape reel. Install tape roll in order. Install back the tape protect plate. Go through the tape to upper side. Lift the pressure roller and sending the tape. In feed. Now is manual mode. Need press button to make banding. Turn to auto mode. Now it can sensor and auto banding. Open the arch. Squirt some oil on the both side guide roll. Press jog. Ensure proper lubrication. Open the door and squirt some oil on mechanism. Squirt oil on the 3 knife parts. Press jog to let it lubrication. If feeding paper not smooth or get stuck when feeding, check if there have object blocking. Clean the tape guide groove. Check again there's no block, then it is okay. How to check heat welding. This welding is not good. Check the indentation is obvious or not. If there have press indentation, then please check the temperature. Click manual. Heating set. Turn heating to 8. If heat welding still not good, then need to replace the 2 high temperature wires.
Clean and check. Turn off the power. Take out the vacuum cleaner and clean the dusty area. Add engine oil for lubrication. Add oil to these 3 holes separately. Rust removal oil needs to be added here instead of engine oil. There is a situation where the machine does not come out the tape. Long press the feed button to ensure that the yellow wheel and the black will rotate at the same time. Loosen the screw. Adjusting wheel pressure. It's getting tighter as it goes down. It cannot be too loose here. Adjust the tightness by tightening the 2 nuts below. These 2 screws are relative, tighten them towards the middle. When the inner core of the machine gets stuck, click on the menu. Click on the repair screen. Password 888888. Long press M1 to reverse. After it can operate normally, click step.